Message to RuneScape players. You suck, you have no life. You should go rot or get a job and a wife and do something productive so you don't lose your dignity and money which you can use to buy a house or a car, and don't end up in a bar. Just go and leave the keyboard and say to your friends, I'll be on AFK for life, oh yes. You can swim in a pool or play with kittens and study for that test next week, OMG. You will probably post a comment that says I stink, but it must be you because you are still on your stupid computer. So after this, click the X button and go outside and play with this scooter. Oh yes sir, listen to me. The same goes to World of Warcraft players and other online games. The end.
I've been thinking.